Here are the fire alarms. Here are the fire alarms at the Mitchell parking garage. You can hear it. It's coming up there, but except for this. Not good. Let me get Elinor. Alright. The fire alarm went off. Oh no! That was just only a test. Alright, let's go. There was a fire alarm, Twilight Sparkle. Yeah, that was not good. Well, this one doesn't flash, only at the other floor. Yeah. That was just only a test. It was like 2 minutes. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna go to a Bronxville Lutheran church. I gotta hurry because it's almost 10. My car will be coming soon. I can hear the fire trucks. Twilight Sparkle and the baby Twilight Sparkle without the cutie mark. Yeah. The fire trucks are coming to this parking garage, the Mitchell parking apartments. Yeah. You can hear the fire trucks. There's one right here coming. Oh. Here's a fire truck. And a fire car. Yeah. The police and the fire department has arrived. And EMS. Wow, there's a fire truck. My Little Ponies, they're fire trucks. Yeah, not good. And another one's coming. Right, so you can see the fire trucks. Sorry everybody, my car is all the way right here. So, look at this fire truck standing. The fire alarm went off. It's still flashing up there, but you can't see in the video. Sorry everybody, my car is still right here because the road is closed, I think. This is the fire trucks. Here's the White Plains Fire Department. Yeah. Alright, we're coming. Look at the fire trucks. Look nice. It's the city of White Plains.